Hey everyone, welcome back to Afro Asia Natural Health Tips. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into the amazing world of natural foods and exploring why the often overlooked eggplant deserves a prime spot on your plate. That's right, we're talking about why eggplant is a superfood you should eat. We'll uncover its incredible health benefits and why it's more than just a delicious ingredient in your favorite dishes. Stay tuned to learn about its comprehensive health benefits. Let's start with that vibrant, deep purple skin. The color isn't just for show, it signifies the presence of powerful compounds. It's not just pretty to look at, it's packed with anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant. These compounds are responsible for the rich color and offer numerous health benefits. One very powerful anthocyanin in eggplant is called nasunin. Nasunin is found primarily in the skin of the eggplant and is known for its potent antioxidant properties. And let me tell you, nasunin is a superhero when it comes to fighting those pesky free radicals. Think of it as a tiny warrior constantly on guard to protect your cells. Free radicals, if you don't know, are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. They are a byproduct of normal metabolism, but can be increased by external factors like pollution and unhealthy diets. Nasunin swoops in and neutralizes these troublemakers, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. This process helps to maintain cellular integrity and function. And when your cells are happy, your whole body benefits. You'll feel more energetic, your immune system will be stronger, and you'll be better equipped to fend off illnesses. This incredible antioxidant activity is like giving your body an internal shield against chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Including eggplant in your diet can be a delicious way to boost your overall health and well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the humble eggplant. It's not just a versatile ingredient, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute to a healthier, longer life. Speaking of heart health, eggplant is like a best friend to your cardiovascular system. This versatile vegetable is packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your heart. From its rich purple skin to its spongy flesh, every part of the eggplant is loaded with health-boosting properties, and who doesn't want a best friend looking out for their heart, right? Imagine enjoying a delicious meal with friends, knowing that the eggplant in your dish is working hard to keep your heart in top shape. Eggplant contains special compounds such as nasunin and chlorogenic acid that can actually help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. These compounds act as antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. You know, the bad cholesterol that we want to keep in check. But that's not all. Regular consumption of eggplant can also improve your overall cholesterol profile, making it a fantastic addition to a heart-healthy diet. Eggplant is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps to relax blood vessel walls, which in turn lowers blood pressure and reduces the strain on your heart. Think of potassium as a balancing force against sodium. When you consume too much sodium, which many of us do, it can raise your blood pressure. High sodium levels can lead to water retention, increasing the volume of blood and making your heart work harder. When you consume too much sodium, which many of us do, it can raise your blood pressure. This is where potassium steps in to save the day. By helping your body excrete excess sodium, potassium ensures that your blood pressure remains within a healthy range. Potassium helps to counteract this effect, keeping your blood pressure in a healthy range. Including potassium-rich foods like eggplant in your diet can make a significant difference in your cardiovascular health. So eggplant is like a 2-for-1 deal for heart health, lowering bad cholesterol and regulating blood pressure. By incorporating this amazing vegetable into your meals, you're taking a delicious step towards a healthier heart and a longer, happier life. Now, if you're watching your weight, eggplant is about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. This versatile vegetable is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, incorporating eggplant into your meals can be a game changer. It's naturally low in calories, which is always good news when you're trying to manage your weight. A cup of cooked eggplant contains just about 35 calories, making it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy a hearty meal without the guilt. You can roast it, grill it, or even use it as a meat substitute in various dishes. But here's the real secret weapon: fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy diet, and eggplant is packed with it. 1 cup of cooked eggplant provides around 2.5 grams of fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Eggplant is packed with fiber, and fiber is like the magic ingredient for feeling full and satisfied. When you consume fiber-rich foods, they take longer to digest, which means you stay full for a more extended period. This can be particularly helpful in curbing those mid-meal cravings that often lead to unhealthy snacking. When you eat fiber-rich foods, it slows down digestion. This slower digestion process not only helps in keeping you full, but also aids in better nutrient absorption. Your body gets more time to extract essential nutrients from the food you eat, making your meals more nutritious. This means you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings and overeating. By incorporating eggplant into your diet, you can create meals that are both satisfying and healthy, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. But the benefits of fiber don't stop there. Fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It also helps regulate your blood sugar levels, which is incredibly important for everyone, but especially for individuals with diabetes. By slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, fiber helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, promoting overall health and well-being. So eggplant can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey, keeping you feeling full, satisfied, and your blood sugar in check. By making eggplant a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy delicious meals while reaping the numerous health benefits it offers. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain your current weight, or simply eat healthier, eggplant is a fantastic addition to your culinary repertoire. We can't talk about health without talking about gut health, right? A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. And eggplant is here to support your digestive system every step of the way. Remember that fiber we talked about? Well, it's not just good for weight management and blood sugar control, it's also crucial for healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. But it goes even deeper than that. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for a thriving digestive system, and eggplant helps to keep them happy and healthy. Now, let's talk about something really important: cancer prevention. While we can't say that eggplant is a cure for cancer, there's promising research suggesting that it may play a role in cancer prevention. Remember those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier, like niacin? Well, these antioxidants, along with other plant compounds found in eggplant called polyphenols, have shown some remarkable anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. These compounds seem to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even prevent the spread of tumors. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits in humans, the early findings are definitely encouraging. Did you know that eggplant is good for your brain too? It's true. That amazing antioxidant niacin, which we've been talking about, isn't just protecting your cells from damage, it's also looking out for your brain health. Niacin is particularly beneficial for brain health because it helps to protect brain cell membranes from damage. These membranes are like the gatekeepers of your brain cells, controlling what goes in and out. Niacin helps to keep these membranes strong and healthy, ensuring that nutrients can get in and waste products can get out. This is essential for optimal brain function, and it may even play a role in protecting against cognitive decline as we age. We've already touched on how eggplant can help regulate blood sugar levels, but let's dive a little deeper into this important benefit. Eggplant has a low glycemic index, which is a measure of how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested and absorbed more slowly, preventing those rapid spikes in blood sugar that can be harmful, especially for people with diabetes. Combined with its high fiber content, eggplant is a great choice for managing blood sugar levels and preventing those energy crashes that can come with high sugar foods. Last but not least, let's talk about bone health. Eggplant may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about strong bones, but it does contain small amounts of several nutrients that are important for bone health. We're talking about calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones, while magnesium helps your body absorb and use calcium effectively. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and helps to prevent bone loss. While eggplant may not be a powerhouse of these nutrients, every little bit helps, and its antioxidant properties can further support bone health by reducing inflammation that can weaken bones over time. Wow, that was a lot of information about eggplant. I hope you're as amazed by its health benefits as I am. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Afro Asia Natural Health Tips for more insights on natural health. See you next time.